Guys, so let's enjoy my drink. Oh my god, it's really good. My hands, it looks like have a blood. And this is very healthy and easy to make and one of my favorite. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you today? I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm going to make a smoothie, this is very healthy and easy to make. And before I start, I would like you to subscribe my channel, Yholandita&Joe. Please leave us a comment, thumbs up, and also share if you like. Alright guys, so I got organic beets and strawberries in here, and I also got a half cup of orange juice and a banana. So I'm gonna start with washing the beets and strawberries before I cut them. So now I'm going to cut it. I know you love this recipe, so this smoothie is very good for you. It's more vitamins, nutrients, and good for detox, and rich also in minerals and protect also your immune system. Alright guys, so everything is cut up, so now it's ready to go. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is to put everything in the blender. So I'm just gonna start with the orange juice. I used to make this with pineapple, avocado, or berries, like any kind of fruits that you want. I mean, it's very good, you know, you can choose whatever you want. There's so many options to use or to make smoothies. Alright guys, I'm so excited. Oh la la, look at the color. Oh my god. Super red. Wow. And put some parsley. Look at that. Oh my god, this is so good. Look at the color. So let's enjoy my drink. Oh my god, it's really good. Very easy recipe, but the color is, look at this, stick in my hands. It looks like I have a blood. But anyway, it's really delicious. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and see you on my next one. Cheers!